My favorite thing about the culture and the reason that I love my job so much are all the people.
I really enjoy the camaraderie between the guys. I mean, it's almost like a small family.
We can joke around with each other. We know each other's kids. We have barbecues together. It's just, we have a great time.
Everybody from HR up to the very tip top with Mark is great to work with. We have all brand new vehicles. All our equipment's brand new. We use the top of the line, everything.
We're not just focused on our bottom dollar or how much revenue we generate. We're focused on growing ourselves as individuals, growing our skills, growing our processes, growing our profit, growing our company, growing our territory, growing the amount of people that work here. It's all growth, and anytime there's growth, there's tons of opportunity.
I was promoted from just a entry-level employee all the way up to a project manager, and I'm watching my other co-workers get promoted. Since we're always promoting from within, there's constantly job openings, and we are always hiring.
The more jobs you complete in a timely manner, the more money that is rewarded towards you.
Compensation plan that we now have, we got rid of the hourly thing, and now what we're doing is we're actually paying our employees a base salary, but they're getting paid a percentage of the work that they complete. They're getting paid a percentage of the work that they sell. It's giving them the opportunity to make more money while exchanging less time.
You get to use your creativity and your freedom to basically do art. It's how I like to see it.
I feel like there's a lot of trust within the company. I feel like the owners, really trust their employees to the fullest.
If I go to the shop and I see a Cruise truck parked there at 2:30 in the afternoon, I feel good. Good because I know that he gets paid based on his production, and he just arranged his day and he was efficient and he got his stuff done. He's at 2:30, he's enjoying his life while making more money.
To feel that they feel grateful for you to make that thing look new again just hits the heart a little bit.
Yeah, it definitely makes you feel good whenever you go home. You can turn around and look at what you did for the day, and the homeowner's pleased, and definitely go home pleased yourself.
It's something different every day. New city, new neighborhood, new scenery.
It just makes me feel great about myself, like I accomplished that.
And they're like, "What'd you do? This ain't my patio. It's new. It's didn't never look like this." That right there is the neatest.
My greatest satisfaction is when the customer is sold and the guys and the technicians have carried out exactly what I promised them. We're all out there together at the end, and it's a great celebration.
If you're ready to create meaningful work, be on a team where you're appreciated and valued for more than just your time. Join our team at Perfect Paver Company, where you can be the hero of our story. Send me an email, careers@perfectpaverco.com, and let's start the discussion today.